Hello future tech leaders, I am Sindhuja. Based on my own experience, I know that learning the right skills can shape our future. What if I say learning was as thrilled as the tech world itself? There we go. A cloud foundation, that's exactly what you will experience. From day one, you will be immersed in the interactive sessions and expert-led courses that covers most of the widely used technologies in the zone of data science to cloud computing, which brings more light to the life of a techie. I'm so excited to help you and unlock the true potential of a technology. Well, then why to wait? Let's see what it unfolds.
The file which we have, the ping directory folder, right? Not this one, we already did it, right? Can you go back to the folder? No, not this one. This file, actually the zip file which we have added it, right? This one with that ping directory, and then ping directory file, and then the zip file. Can you put it in different one? And then can you unzip it again one more time? Can you unzip it, you? And finally, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.